Hi Leos, welcome back to my channel. This is your daily love tarot reading, guys. Leos, for your general energies, career situation and relationship, guys. We are picking these cards, Leos. So these cards are for your general energies, guys. For your relationship and career situation, Leos, I'll be picking cards from this deck. So one card each for your relationship. So this is for your relationship and this card is for your career situation, guys, Leos. So let's start with the cards for your general energies, guys. We have Ace of Cups, Eight of Pentacles and Six of Wands in reverse. So in your situation, guys, Leos, it may be in your work situation or it may be in your relationship, guys. Leos, you are someone who is really skilled and talented. You are working hard, putting in lot of efforts using your skills and talents. So in your career situation or in your relationship, you are trying your best, doing things up to your limit, trying to do things in a better way each and every day, each and every time. So you are trying hard to do the right thing or please the people in your life, guys. Working really hard, putting in lot of efforts and work from your side. But in your situation, guys, you have some worries, some kind of fear. It may be for some of you, it may be something unreasonable. Things are going smoothly, maybe in your work there are people who are helping you, who work with you. You have a team spirit, that sense of people working together in your career situation. So things are going in a positive way for y'all, guys, but still you have some kind of fear or anxiety. Maybe you are having some kind of a bad intuition, maybe. So you are worried something bad may happen in your future, maybe in your work situation, and you don't know what or how to make things go in the right way. So you are afraid that you will make some mistakes. It may be in your work situation or it may be in your relationship, guys. And maybe for some of you, it is this fear of mistake or fear of some kind of a negative outcome. Maybe because you have done something wrong or there has been a negative situation in your past. Something has gone wrong in your past situation, guys, and you don't want to repeat those mistakes again here. So it may be in your energy in your relationship. So you don't want to go back to the same state, the same old story again, because you have a new relationship coming in, guys, new love coming in, and you are thinking what to do, how to approach this situation, how to deal with this relationship effectively without making any mistakes. So that is the reason for fear, for some kind of worry. You don't want to repeat the same mistake again in this relationship, guys. So that is what I see with these cards, guys, Leos. So let's see what is the card for your relationship. We picked one card from another deck. So we have time to go. So with this card, guys, it just means that sometimes however hard we work, we were speaking about that you are someone who has put in a lot, done your best, tried your best. So sometimes you need to take stock and move on to the next thing with deep thought and understanding. So maybe you have done everything, tried everything, but when things are not working out, that is what we were speaking about, guys. Such a apt card for your relationship, guys. We were speaking of that. So you are thinking about the past mistakes, what went wrong, and what you should not repeat in this new relationship. So this card stands for that maybe you have done your best, you have done everything possible in your limit, but you need to understand that when you feel though you have done everything, you do not see a connection in this relationship. You simply have to let that love go, guys, and move on. So if that love is meant to be, that person will come back to you. But if it is otherwise, it just never was meant to be. So this love was never meant to be, is no longer in service. So you need to understand that and move on positively forward in your life, guys. So you have come to the end of line. So someone new will come up and you need to let go of that relationship that is not working for you, Leos. So in your past, whatever was not working for you, there is no use of hoping or praying for that relationship to come back. If it was meant to come back, it would have come back already, guys, Leos. So let's see what is the card for your career situation, guys. It's higher power. So with this card, it just means that each and every one of us, we have that divine spark in us, guys. That part of the divine is within us, helping us, guiding us each and every step of the way. So in your career situation, when you have that intuition telling you, guiding you what needs to be done or what is the right choice and what is the highest good for you, you need to listen to it, guys. And you need to sometimes when you are working, you may get a sudden idea, something pointing out what will be the choice or what will be the right action. When that happens, when that inspiration bubbles up in us, you need to understand that that higher power is guiding you today towards the right direction. So you need to listen to it, guys, Leos. So that is the energy with this card for your career situation, guys, Leos. And that is the reading for you all today. Thank you for watching. If you want more clarity, guys, there is no pick a card love reading, guys. Sorry, guys, for that. So today that is the reading for you all. If you like this reading, if it resonates, please like and comment. I'll be happy to know your suggestions. I will see you tomorrow with another reading. Bye, Leos.